In today's video, let's know how to reset iPhone safely.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by
Welcome back to my channel Dr. Technosaurus NDL, and today we have iPhone 6s with us, and let's know how to reset iPhone safely. First, go to settings, tap on general, and in the bottom you can see an option called reset. Here we have two types of reset options. The first option will reset all the settings. It will not erase any type of data. If we are resetting the phone completely, then we should not go for the first option. For the second option, it asked me like photos and data are being uploaded to iCloud. I just gave it as erase now. Tap on erase iPhone. Again it asks you for the confirmation, and here you enter the Apple ID and the password. After some time it starts booting up. One thing that I can tell you is that if you have any photos, videos that you don't like to lose it, then you can upload it on Google Photos. I think that we get around 15 GB of storage in Google Photos, so that we can upload our photos, videos there, and after the reset we can recover it easily. So now we should select our country region. After that it says quick start. If you have much time to spare, then you can read it. Just tap on setup manually. Here it says written and spoken language. This is just for confirmation. Tap on continue. Now choose a Wi-Fi network. I have inserted SIM, so I am choosing use mobile connection. It says data and privacy. Just tap on continue. Next, for the Touch ID you should add your fingerprint, so tap on continue. There should be no sweat on your finger while adding your fingerprint. Place your finger multiple times on the fingerprint sensor so that it accurately adds your fingerprint. Place your finger second time so that it covers enough area of your finger. Here you should create a new 6-digit password. So if you want to restore the apps and data as before, tap on the first option, otherwise tap on the last option. And now you are required to enter your Apple ID and password. You will get an OTP confirmation to your Apple ID phone number. If you have much time, you can go through the terms and conditions or just tap on agree. You can notice a small Bluetooth speaker on the left corner in the video. To see the unboxing of it, you can tap on the I button or iCards, whatever you call it. Now, if you wish me to make a dedicated video on how to save the storage on iPhone, please comment below. Now enter your old password. So next tap on continue. Tap on continue. Next it says iCloud keychain. Tap on continue. We obviously require Siri, so tap on continue. It says improve Siri and dictation, so tap on share audio recording. To know your screen time, tap on continue. For app analytics, tap on share with app developer. Tap on continue, and the same here as well. Boom, the stock iPhone interface is ready now. And this is how it looks. We also do get some pre-installed iOS apps. Now let's go to settings. Now tap on the option called general. Then tap on iPhone storage. This is the moment when every iPhone users feel happy and be satisfied. So this is it for today. For more such type of tech videos, please like, share, comment and do subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Thank you all.